Àwọn fídíò yẹn à á link ẹ̀ mọ́ fídíò yìí. Sí nǹkan kan Nàìjíríà mọ́ Nàìjíríà ti bàjẹ́ pátápátá àfi tá a bá dìde. Èmi nìkan ò dẹ̀ lè jà àfi kí gbogbo wa bá dìde. Èmi nìkan mi ò lè jà. Èèyàn kan kì í jẹ́ àwádé. Gbogbo ohun tí Sunday Igboho fẹ́ ṣe nìyẹn. Wọ́n á rán lọ sí oko. Wọ́n rán Sunday Igboho lọ sí oko tí kò ní dé mọ́. Gbogbo ohun tí Sunday Igboho fẹ́ ṣe nìyí. Kò sí kankan nínú ohun tọ́lọ́run ti sọ fún mi gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run tí mo pass out tí kò tíì ṣẹ. Sọ pé àwọn tọ́ọ̀gì wọ́n ti gba ìjọba. Lánàá, nínú ọ̀rọ̀ àgbà apá kẹwàá, Olúwa sọ wípé kò ní sọ́lọ́pàá níta. Lénìí yìí, ibo ló ti rọ́lọ́pàá nínú polling booth? Olúwa ní gbogbo àwọn ọlọ́pàá àtàwọn thugs lọ́jọ́ máa ṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀. Ṣó o ti rí ọlọ́pàá ń tà? Wọ́n dẹ̀ ni wọ́n ló bá ya INEC ṣàárí gbogbo yìí. Màá fi gbogbo fídíò yẹn wọ̀n ẹ́. Wàá wà confused totally pé kò sí ohun rere kan tó lè ti Nàìjíríà jáde. Ìwọ tó fẹ́ lọ vote fún wọn náà, wàá rí i pé ojú ẹ máa ka use and drop ní ẹ. Àwa tó rí i, àwa mọ̀wé wa, ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run làwa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún ẹ. Ebi ò lè pa mí. Èèyàn ò dẹ̀ ní bóyá mò ń tọrọ owó lọ́wọ́ èèyàn. Èèyàn ò ní bóyá mò ń fún ọmọ ọ̀jọ́ ní wàhálà. Lọ confirm mi dáadáa. Go and search me very well. I'm telling you. Ibi tó fún wa tó ní ká kọ́. Mi ò béèrè £1 lọ́wọ́ ọmọ ọ̀jọ́. Mi ò tiẹ̀ sọ fún wọn gan. Àfi tó bá rí fídíò mi tó ń wò, mi ò sọ létí ìjọ pé wọ́n fún wa níbì kan o. Nígbà tá a sọ prophecy, tí prophecy yẹn dẹ̀ wà accurate, pé wọ́n wá fún wa níbì kan tó ní ká fi kọ́ church. Mi ò sọ fún ọmọ ọ̀jọ́. Mi ò béèrè nǹkan kan lọ́wọ́ ọmọ ọ̀jọ́. Wòlíì ni àwa. Èmi o, I am a prophet. Ebi ò lè pa mí. Ìwọ tí o tún ti ṣe àṣìṣe tèmi tó tún ti lọ vote àwọn tọ́ọ̀gì wọlé, ìwọlé bí máa pa. Wàá wá dé ọ̀dọ̀ wa wá tọrọ owó, ọrọ̀ oúnjẹ. Àwa máa ní àwa ò ní fún ẹ. Wàláì. Mo fi Ọlọ́run búra ẹ̀. Mo fi ìpè búra nǹkan tí mo sọ yìí. Mo fi ọjọ́ tí mo máa ṣáájú wọlẹ̀, mo fi búra ẹ̀. Mo fi ọjọ́ tó ní abẹ kò ní kan irun orí mi, kò gbọ́dọ̀ kan. Mo fi búra ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ yìí. Ẹ jẹ ìyà. Ẹ dí ọ̀dọ̀ wa náà. Àwa go ò ní ràn yín lọ́wọ́. Wàláì. Nítorí pé a mọ̀ yín. A ti sọ. Awífúnni kó tó dání. Àgbà ìjàkadì ni. Ẹ rí fídíò ìtẹ̀tí èní yìí ti on the 18 oṣù kẹta 2023 tí wọ́n lọ ń ṣe governor election. Ẹ rí bó ṣe rí. Everything was so poor. Kò ń ṣe election ló ń ṣe o. Ọkàn fẹ́ ṣeré ni. Ọkàn ṣeré ni. We don't win by vote. They win by fight. They win by rigging the vote. So anybody whoever tó bá wọlé tí kì bá ń ṣe Labour Party lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí or anywhere, nítorí Labour Party òun lọ́lọ́run ti kọ wípé sẹ́ òun ló máa gbà. Tí kò bá ti lè gbà, kì í sọ fún yín. They rig it. I am saying it. Ẹ wá gbé mi o. Owóró ṣókí ní bàbá confam. I am waiting for you people. Èmi. Àfi tó bá pọ́ Ọlọ́run kọ́ ló pè mí. Ọlọ́run ló pè mí. Èmi ò ní bẹ́nikẹ́ni parọ́. Òtítọ́ òun ló máa sọ. Farabalẹ̀ kó àwọn fídíò yẹn. Yeah, take care. Wọ́n tún ti da tèní irú. Èní ló ti bá gbogbo ẹ̀ jẹ́. INEC náà dẹ̀ ń rí. INEC rí àwa wa ní free and fair election. Àwọn náà wá declare pé ní báyìí ló wọlé nírú election tí ẹ̀yin rí yìí. Gbé káàkiri. Gbé fídíò yẹn káàkiri. Ẹ gbé káàkiri.
Hey guys, so it's 8:30 a.m. and we're set up, as you can see, fully set up here. Everything is completely organized. All the polling units are here, but INEC has said they are not coming into VGC. They're going to set up on the express. Like, I don't understand. Why would we, do you know, thousands of people in here to vote, and then you want us to go to the express? This has never happened before. They're saying they're not coming in. So please tag INEC, tell them we're all set up, we're here, we're waiting, and they said this is our polling unit. This is where we voted the last time. We've always voted here for, you know, every election cycle we're here. Now they said they are going to the express to set up, and we should all come out to the express to meet them. How would thousands of people vote at the express? Does that even make any sense? Please, INEC, please now. We thought we were not going to have any drama this time. Please, let's do it.
But right now, what we are seeing here, 10 BVAS have been snatched, and we don't know where those BVAS are right now. As I'm talking to you now, I'm in the array center, and as the array collation, I want to know which of the units that are missing right now. We met security agent on ground. We met our party security on ground also. The BVAS machine, the 10 BVAS machine, right up to now, is nowhere to be found. So I demand that we look at the BVAS machine and count them in the presence of the press, so that we know what is going on right now. So I will want a security agent to come and bring down the BVAS. Let's count them one after the other. We're supposed to have 23, and the extra BVAS machine that is assigned to this place, either 2 or 3, making it up to like 25 and 26. So what we are having here right now here, let me count this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oproza Award is 23 units, and we are having 14 BVAS machine here, which is quite abnormal. I want the press to know this, and I want the press to call all the right authorities to this issue right now. We have a result sheet here which has not been tampered with. The result sheet has not been opened. Sensitive material is there, but the BVAS is what is missing right now. I don't know if which security agent will come. I think I have unit 2 here, unit 5 here, and then can I drop it? Yes. We have unit. This is the unit 2. Right. This is unit 2. Focus on unit 2. This is unit 2. Right. Please focus on it. This is unit 5. This is 05. I can't get a unit in this one. Okay, this is the backup BVAS. This is the backup BVAS. This one is for the backup BVAS. And this unit 006. This is unit 19. This somebody should take this. This is unit 008. This is unit 20. This is unit 9.
I see now. They have chased people. They are the only ones standing there right now. They have chased people away across the road. People are just standing afar watching. They have chased people away. So police unit 0 55 Sangotedo Open Space Council Ward. So APC supporters are chasing people away. Tout are chasing people away. So they don't want people to vote here again. Others party supporters are standing across the road. Reporting live from Pune Unit 055.
Ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo ibi tí ẹ bá ti ń bọ̀ wá. Ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo ibi tí ẹ bá ti ń bọ̀ wá. A kò tún fẹ́ fún yín ní ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣítí láàárọ̀ yìí. A fẹ́ fún yín lọ́rọ̀ ìṣítí láàárọ̀ yìí. Àwa ò ní kí ẹ má lọ gbowó lọ́wọ́ ìjọba tọ́ọ̀gì o. Ẹ lọ gbowó lọ́wọ́ wọn. Orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà ná. Pé kí n tó máa sọ̀rọ̀ mi lọ kí àwọn èèyàn má lérò pé àwa ti gbowó lọ́wọ́ àwọn pátì kan. Àwa ò mọ pátì rí, ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run làwa. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹni tó bá wẹjú báyìí, òun lẹ̀rù ń bà. Ohun táwa rí, òun ní ń jẹ́ kẹ́rù bà wá. Òun ló mú wa ń bọ́ta láti wá máa sọ wípé àfi kí ẹ lé àwọn ìjọba tọ́ọ̀gì yìí, kẹ́ ẹ lé wọn jáde. Ìjọba tọ́ọ̀gì ń ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú àwọn ọlọ́pàá. Ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú àwọn àmì Nàìjíríà. Ẹ rí ìran wò. Ẹ rí ìran wò. Ẹ̀yin ẹ tún gbé wọn wọlé lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Ẹ rí ìran wò. Ẹ rí ìyá yín, ẹ pé ìyá yín bàbá yín. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ. Ẹlòmíì á rí ọmọ ẹ̀ báyìí, á pọ̀ ọmọ lájá. Nítorí pé tọ́ọ̀gì ó máa ní agbára ju ọlọ́pàá lọ ní Nàìjíríà yìí. Ẹ̀yin ẹ gbé wọn wọlé lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Ẹ rí pé tọ́ọ̀gì máa ní bí Boko Haram ṣe ní agbára ju ọlọ́pàá lọ àtàwọn àmì ní Nàìjíríà, lẹ ṣe máa rí wípé tọ́ọ̀gì wọ́n ní agbára ju ọlọ́pàá lọ ní Nàìjíríà. Ẹ gbé wọn wọlé, kẹ́ wá ríran wò. Orúkọ mi ni Baba Confirm JP. Ohun tọ́lọ́run rán wa, òun làwa wá ń sọ. Àwa ò gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹnikẹ́ni. Àwa ò mọ pátì kankan rí. Àwa ò ṣe pátì. Ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run ni wa. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹni tó bá ti wẹjú, òun lẹ̀rù máa bà. Ohun táwa rí, tá à ń rí, t'Olúwa ń sọ fún wa nípa ìjọba tọ́ọ̀gì tó jẹ́ ti APC, òun làwa wá ń sọ jáde. Gbogbo bó tilẹ̀ wù kí wọ́n threaten àwọn èèyàn tó, ẹ jáde ẹ lọ vote. Ẹ vote wọn out. Ẹ vote àwọn tó jẹ́ kẹ́ gbé wọlé, ẹ gbé wọn wọlé. Bẹ́yìn bá wá ní ẹ ò mọ ẹni tó jẹ́ kẹ́ gbé wọlé, àwa sọ fún yín. Tó pé ohun t'Olúwa sọ fáwa làwa wá sọ. Ẹ lọ gbé Labour Party wọlé. Ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n wọlé. Ẹ jẹ́ kí Èkó kó ní new change. Ẹ jẹ́ kí Èkó kó rí new structure. Ẹ jẹ́ kí àṣírí wọn, ohun tí wọ́n ń bò tí wọn ò ṣe fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ẹlòmíì jókòó sórí síìtì yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo àṣírí wọn, ẹ jẹ́ kó tú síta. Nígbà tí wọ́n lé Oyètọ́lá kúrò ń bẹ̀, làṣírí APC tó tú, tí Adeleke tó jókòó síbẹ̀, làṣírí gbogbo, látòrí wọn tó tú gbogbo tí wọ́n dè, gbogbo ìdọ̀tí tí wọ́n ṣe, gbogbo owó tí wọ́n kó jẹ, gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe ń bẹ̀, làṣírí wọn tú síta. Ẹ bá fẹ́ jẹ́ kí Èkó yìí kó dáa, ẹ fẹ́ jẹ́ kí Èkó kó sunwọ̀n, ẹ fẹ́ k'àlàáfíà wà níbi gbogbo, àfi tẹ́ ẹ bá vote wọn out. Àárọ̀ ni mo wá ń ṣe fídíò yìí. Tó mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jí ni. Bí mo ṣe jíyàn, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ videos náà ni mo tún ti rí tí àwọn ọmọ tọ́ọ̀gì yẹn ń jáde. Kẹ́ lè rí pé kò sọ ọlọ́pàá. Today is on the 18th of March 2023. 18 March 2023. Àwọn ọmọ tọ́ọ̀gì ń jáde láàárọ̀ yìí tí wọ́n ń pariwo pé tó o bá ti vote fún APC kó jókòó sílé. Kò dàbí tíjọ́ yẹn o. Tíjọ́ yẹn gan náà wọ́n rí igi ẹ̀ ni. Wọ́n rí igi ẹ̀ dànù ní tíjọ́ yẹn. Wọ́n ṣe wà lẹ́nu ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n àwa mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run wa ò fail. Ohun tí Ọlọ́run sọ fún wa ló máa ṣe. Ohun tí Ọlọ́run sọ fún wa máa ṣe. Ó dá wa lójú tó á dà. Kí ni wọ́n mean tó máa fi máa bọ́ta tọ́ọ̀gì máa bọ́ta láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù láàárọ̀ election la pè é ṣé kò sí ìjọba ìlú yìí ti kú. Those are the reasons táwa fi ń pariwo wípé sẹ́ Nigeria can, do you think Nigeria can work? Ẹ̀yin sì lérò pé ó lè work? It cannot work. Any country tó fẹ́ grow kò ń ṣe country tó ń wà lọ́wọ́ àwọn tọ́ọ̀gì. Any country tó bá máa grow kì í ṣe country tó máa wà lọ́wọ́ àwọn olè. Any country tó bá máa grow kò ń ṣe country tí wọ́n fi tọ́ tẹ́ pé wọ́n máa fi ìjọba country yẹn ṣe tìdílé wọn. Ẹ fẹ́ jẹ́ kí Nàìjíríà grow. So therefore we demand for you to let us go. Ìdí tá a ṣe ń béèrè Yorùbá nation nìyẹn lọ́wọ́ yín, because Nàìjíríà yìí ti dójẹ́ pé gbogbo wa la nìyẹn, ẹ ò fẹ́ jẹ́ kó grow. Ẹ ti sọ di ìjọba ti family yín, ẹ sọ di ìjọba ti ara yín, ẹ sọ Nàìjíríà di ìjọba tọ́ọ̀gì, ẹ sọ Nàìjíríà di ìjọba àwọn tí ń kó owó jẹ. Báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ jẹ́ kó lọ? Báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ kó ṣe ṣe? So check outside now. Kò wo ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀, àdẹ̀là lọ́lọ́pàá. Èmi ò believe nínú ọlọ́pàá mọ́. Ṣètò bá wá pàdé ẹ̀ ń ta, wọ́n máa ṣẹ́ẹ̀kì ẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ tọ́ọ̀gì tó jẹ́ kí wọ́n mú, àwọn ọmọ tọ́ọ̀gì tó jẹ́ kí wọ́n fi ìbọn padànù. Ṣé láì pa wọ́n ṣé wọ́n lè reduce ni? Ẹ̀wọ̀n kọ́ ní ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọmọ tọ́ọ̀gì tẹ́ rí yìí. Wọ́n máa pa wọ́n ni tí wọn ò bá ti pa wọ́n, they cannot reduce. Àwa ò ṣe lọ ṣe tọ́ọ̀gì. Àwa ò ṣe lọ máa ṣe tọ́ọ̀gì níta. Tẹ bá wá rí èèyàn tó dìde tó ní tọ́ọ̀gì lòún fẹ́ ṣe, the next thing náà ni pé kẹ́ ẹ padànù. Láì jẹ́ pé ẹ pa wọ́n, wọn ò lè reduce, and you know the right thing to do. Ẹ ń fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ nítorí irú ọjọ́ ìní tẹ máa lò wọ́n lẹ ṣe ń fi wọ́n sílẹ̀. Ẹ ń fi wọ́n dà àdúgbò láàmú. Mo ti sọ prophecy tẹ́lẹ̀ pé Boko Haram ni Buhari lò nígbà ayé tiẹ̀. Wàá rí pé tọ́ọ̀gì lọ́ máa lò. Wàá ríran wò, mo fi Ọlọ́run búra ẹ̀. Wàá rí tọ́ọ̀gì tó máa gbé ìbọn sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ní park tí kò sẹ́ni tó máa lọ bá. Ní rìgíìmù ohun tí ẹ̀yin fẹ́ dáwọ́lé yìí, ẹ sì lè ronú pìwàdà o. There is no need for you to vote these people in. Tẹ́ ẹ bá ti vote APC in nínú rìgíìmù yìí, ẹ máa jẹ̀yà yín o. Àwa ti sọ ohun tọ́lọ́run rán wa. Kò sí àǹfààní nínú ìjọba tọ́ọ̀gì. They are thugs. Tọ́ọ̀gì lẹ fẹ́ lọ vote fún, olórí wọn tọ́ọ̀gì, olórí tó ń kó àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀yìn kiri, tọ́ọ̀gì làwọn ọmọ ẹ̀yìn. Ohun tó lúwa rán àwa, òun làwa ń sọ. Ẹ má ti torí 1,000 kẹ́ bá ayé yín jẹ́ 4 years tẹ fẹ́ fún wọn, 8 years tẹ fẹ́ fi lé wọn lọ́wọ́ kẹ́ bá ayé yín jẹ́. Ayé yín ti bàjẹ́, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ láyé ẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀. Torí ẹ̀ náà la ṣe ń pariwo káàkiri tantan, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ láyé ẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́. Àwa ò wá fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ bá ayé àwa jẹ́, la ṣe ń pariwo káàkiri tantan. Ẹlòmíín mọ̀ pé ayé òun ti bàjẹ́, kò sí solution fóun. Yes, so therefore ó máa lọ gba 1,000. Ó máa lọ vote fún àwọn APC. APC ò ń ṣe ẹni tẹ́lẹ̀ vote fún. I can boldly say that. Orúkọ mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ni bàbá confam JP. Mi ò bẹ̀rù yín. Mi ò bẹ̀rù anybody. I don't fear anybody. Owóró ṣòkí lèmi wà. Kò dẹ̀ síbẹ̀ ṣe wọ òwòrò ṣòkí kẹ́ ẹ béèrè pé ẹ ń lọ sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì bàbá confam tí wọn ò ní sọ pé ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì mi nìyí. Ẹ ò lè máa hùwà ìbàjẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ lérò pé gbogbo èèyàn ló máa silent. Àwa máa sọ òtítọ́ yẹn dẹ̀kẹ́ la máa sọ títí tí dodo ẹ máa fi yí padà. We will never accept this what you are doing. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀ gan, a sì máa sọ òtítọ́, kò sí ohun tẹ́ lè ṣe fún wa. Wọn náà rórí ẹ, ìjọba afipámúni ló fẹ́ lọ vote fún. Ìjọba tí wọn ò mọ ohun tí wọ́n ń pè lófin ló fẹ́ lọ vote fún. Ìjọba tí kò kíyà nípa ìbóyè okú ló fẹ́ lọ vote fún. Ìjọba tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n pa ọmọ sínú BRT dèní eléni, a ò rí ojútùú ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, ló fẹ́ lọ vote fún. Ìjọba tó jẹ́ wípé wọ́n pa ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ ní Lẹ́kí tí a ò tí ì rí ojútùú ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn dèní eléni, àbí ọmọ tí wọ́n ń pè ní ìjọba ni. Ìjọba mìíní wípé nígbà táwa ò bá ní agbára, àwọn ní agbára, àwọn lè gbà wá sílẹ̀. Ìjọba tí kò lè gbà ẹ́ sílẹ̀, òun ni wọ́n fẹ́ lọ vote fún, àbí? Ìjọba tẹ́ pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ ọlọ́pàá ní Lẹ́kí tí a ò tí ì rí àkáǹtì ẹ̀. Ìjọba tó jẹ́ wípé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ohun ìwọ̀sí òun ni wọ́n ti ṣe tí kò sí àkáǹtì fún òun ló ti fẹ́ lọ vóòtì fún. Ìwọ má wọrí, ajá ẹ lójú lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i. Orúkọ tèmi ni bàbá confam JP. Gbogbo ohun táwa ń ṣe tó jẹ́ fídíò yìí àwa fi síbẹ̀ ni o, àbọ̀ wa bá ní. Nígbà tí gbogbo ohun tá à ń sọ bá ṣe, àmọ́ wá jáde, àmọ́ wá sọ fún yín pé ṣé a ò ti wí fún yín, ẹ jẹ́ dẹ́ndẹ́ ìyà. Ṣùgbọ́n mo advice gbogbo ìwọ tó ní lọ́kàn pé o fẹ́ vote lénìí, ẹ lọ vote APC out. Èmi fúnra mi sọ ẹ vote wọn out. Ìjọba nínilára ni wọ́n, ìjọba tọ́ọ̀gì, ìjọba tí wọ́n, it is not a legal government. Kò ń ṣe ìjọba tí ó gbé òfin dání. Tó bá yẹ pé ìjọba tó gbé òfin dání ni, ẹ̀rù ò ní bà wá láti jẹ́ kí wọ́n wọlé. Wọn ò gbé òfin dání. Tí wọ́n bá gbé òfin dání ni, àwọn ọmọ tọ́ọ̀gì tí wọ́n rìn kiri láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ election lẹ́ni on the 18th of March 2023, wọn ò lè rìn káàkiri náà. Ọlọ́pàá ti pa wọ́n dànù. That is not a free and fair elections. Tó bá pé fair election ni, kò gbọdọ̀ sí tọ́ọ̀gì kankan tó rìn. Àwọn èèyàn á lọ vote fún ẹni tó fẹ́ vote fún. Wọ́n á dẹ̀ padà sílé. Ìjọba tó ń threaten àwọn citizens, òun ló fẹ́ lọ vote fún. A máa pàdé, ìwọ máa wòran. Àlàáfíà ni fún yín. God bless you. Kẹ́ni nice day. Bàbá confam JP náà ló ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀.
If you are not voting for APC, you don't want to see it here. They say if they counted the vote and see that the Labour Party got more votes here, they will destroy everything. They will destroy everything here. There is no policeman here, nothing, no security agency here. They just scared people away and everybody's at home. This is mainland local government. This is Afar Road. This is Tamil Street. This is House 37, opposite House 37. So that's the situation. There, nobody is voting. They are the ones doing the meeting by themselves. These are all of them. They are APC members. So it's getting scared. I'm at home. So I don't want.
Okay, now move forward.
The thing where you don't fit do for you, where you don't fit do for another. It's a ball. I don't because you and like that for like this. How many of you have money? They do like say this because you are from America. How many of you have money here? Around the tax of dollar. Now you go about that brown thing. Don't go punish your generation. Don't be on the go.
Everything. I'm driving when I had to run out. They destroyed my side mirrors, hit my car. I don't even know. But why not up? Why not up? Now why? I don't even know the extent of the damage to the car, but I just ran out for my life because they were bringing out knives. They wanted to stab me and all of that. Thank God I came with some people to help me. So I'm driving.
That guy go pull out.
Who did you give? Oh God. Guys. Oh my God. Oh my God.
The guy was with pistol, right?
Yes, he was trying to bring out something. So it was the knife that was the distraction.
So I'm going to call I'm going over to where the army are because we went to turn at VGC. I'm going to go and tell them, don't you stop. Go. Okay. God, I'm tired of these things. I don't even know what to say. I'm tired. I'm tired. What happened to the free and fair election that they promised us? Nothing is free and fair. You want? Why? Why you're intimidating people? The long queue that we had during the presidential election, we were like 20 people, and it was just all different sorts of people. I just brought out my phone, I made a call, and tried to tell people that I'm at the polling unit, I'm ready to vote. This guy came. The guy wearing white came. I had to run for my life. If not, I would have made a video inside there. This one was not even, let's scatter this. They were directly attacking me, like it was just me. So I'm here. Let me meet the army. Around VGC, we saw them when we were turning. We saw them. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Please, I need your help. I need your help. No, they attacked me. They attacked me.
We're having problem in Agric already. We're having problem in Agric already. So it's we're having problem in Agric already. So this guy is making trouble with us. Okay, you will know we stand in trouble. You're a very small boy. So we're having the problem already.
For a Kota primary school here, we're not allowed to vote. Once you get to the gate, they ask you if you're from Lagos State. Once you're not from Lagos State, East, Imo State, Anambra, they'll tell you to go back, but you're late to vote. That's the situation here, Kota primary school. So we are not always voting.
Oh, yes, all we
The area boys came, fought everybody and started attacking everybody. They were armed with weapons, guns, knives. They came to the eatery, break everything, break the plasma, injure some people.
I have reached here. From here they carry my bag, my phone, collecting everything.
Oh my God.
What do I do? They carry my phone. I can't see now. Look at. My lenses are off. I can't see. What will I do? I can't see.
Let me book for Uber. It's terrible. It's a terrible situation.
I have to call my husband. Let him not start calling you.
Okay.
Tell him I'm okay.
All right. It's a terrible situation now. All MP members have been dispossessed of their phones, of their possession. They remove everything from his office. This is a wicked world. They have removed everything from her. They collected all our phones. They collected everything. They injured a lot of people.
They have knives.
They had everything. They had guns. Look at what they did. They collected everything in the entries. Bottle everywhere. Bottle everywhere. Bottle everywhere. Bottle everywhere. Injured a lot of people. We were about taking off our rally for constituency 1, Surulere. It's better we have security, so we are ready to work. Look at the vehicle. Look at the DJ.
They took his laptop.
Took all the laptops.
Took laptops.
Break the vehicle. Look at it.
The screen.
They finished the
several
screen.
persons. They stabbed people. Some people
Stab
are
a
in
lot
the
of
hospital.
people.
Bottles of people there.
So many people have been hospitalized now. We have brought so many people to the hospital. This is unbearable. This is unbearable. This is Thomas Junction, live and direct right now.
We were trying to make
area boys came that they were sent by APC government to disrupt every movement by Labour Party. Look at the woman. This lady. She's the one standing here. They collected everything. All her coolers, all her phone, her bag. You can see her crying. You can see her.
Please, if you don't want to wait for us, please sit down for a while. Sit down for a while.